Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, the viewers. In front of me XP Deco Mini 4, and now I'm gonna show you how to use this drawing tablet, this graphic tablet, with your Android device. Unfortunately, you can't use this graphic tablet to draw serious things, serious pictures on your Android device because you don't have normal software to do it. You don't have drivers and you don't have anything to do it with comfort. So I'll show you. Firstly, when you will connect your tablet with your Android device. So here you have the cable and here you have the adapter to USB-C. So USB-C, USB-C. You can use normal USB-C, USB-C cable. Find it. Deco draw. Okay. Wait a while. You need to open the Google Play application, and in Google Play you need to find XP Pen Tablet Era. It's one application that works. Using this application you can, as you can see, it's connected. Using this application you can change the mode, orientation mode, so you can use standard mode on landscape mode. So as you can see right now, wait a while. Right now I have enabled, right now it's disabled, so reconnect. Okay, now I have enabled landscape mode, so I have it. Oh, settings tool, okay, connected. I don't know why it's saying that I have another mode. So now I will change to standard mode. Let's check it right now. Okay, now standard mode is enabled. So using this application you can change the orientation. Okay, great. Then earlier you was able to use Deco Draw application, but now this application is unavailable on the Play Store, and this application, and of course when you are using graphic tablet on Android devices you can't use Android keyboard. Oh my god, wait a while, I need to disconnect to use the keyboard. Find Deco Draw, and as you can see, looking for Deco Draw, this app isn't available for your device because it was made for an older version of Android. So Deco XP Pen developer is not updating Deco Draw application, and now this application is not support your graphic tablet. And now I'll show you. I have downloaded XP Pen Deco Draw application from the internet, and it's here, Deco Draw. So great, it's here. Here you need to click allow Deco Draw. Okay, and now as you can see it's working, yes, but when you are disabling the hand mode and you want to use pen, okay, so just use the pen, you can't draw. As you can see, you can't draw. Unfortunately this application don't support Deco Mini 4. I don't know why. I don't know why developer is not supporting this application, but you can't use this tablet in normal mode. So of course you can enable you can download infinite drawing or any other drawing application, but it's not too easy to draw when you don't see when you have the drawing point right now. For example, okay, it's here, great. So now for example, I think that when I will draw here, my drawing shadow will be here. Okay, so No, it's not here. Oh, it's here. Great. So you can't draw anything in this way because it's just not easy, and it's impossible. It's level impossible. So of course you can use any other drawing application, but you don't have a great drawing application on Android devices, free drawing applications. Of course you can use Google Keep, but it's not a good drawing application. And using Google Keep, of course, you can draw better than in the Infinite Drawing. But here you have the same problem. When you are connecting with the drawing cable and with graphic tablet and your computer, you can see when is your nib, yeah. So in this way you can draw, but here you don't see where is it, and you need to guess where the nib. So I think this is impossible to use XP Pen with your Android device, unfortunately. But you can if you need, but it's not too easy to do. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.